Okay, here's one more challenge, and totally optional, and hopefully it'll be fun for you if you decide to do it. We're gonna make an edible color wheel, and I've never done this. I'm just gonna assume it's gonna work, so we'll see. So here are the things I think we're gonna need for our edible color wheel, and I'm sure you can make a healthy version of an edible color wheel, but that's not what I'm doing today. So if you're on a low carb diet or something, then you might want to skip this, but I think it'll be fun. So I happen to have all this stuff, thankfully, in the house. A big thing of pancake mix and left over from a cake I was making for my kid's second birthday. I've got some food coloring, and you don't have to use clear jars, but I have 6 clear jars, 3 for 3 primary colors and 3 for 3 secondary colors. So I'm going to make just a normal batch of pancakes, and then we're going to do a mixing experiment. So here goes. Let's see. So this says 6 to 7 4-inch pancakes, so that's perfect because we only really need 6 different colors for our primary and secondary. So 1 cup of mix and 2/3 cup of water. Do 3 jars and try to make them about equal for the 3 primary colors. Yeah, I think it's good that I doubled this recipe because there would not have been enough to really mix had I not. Let's see. So now I'm going to take my yellow food coloring, which looks orange, my red, and my blue. And I'm not going to use green because we don't need green. We're going to make our own green. That's the secondary color. So I'm going to add a couple drops of blue, a couple drops of red, some yellow, Alright, so I bet y'all know that you gotta wait for the bubbles to start to pop and the edges to look brown, and then it's time to flip. So the yellow's turning out just fine. And now while we're waiting on that one, let's go ahead and let's try mixing, let's make a green pancake. So we got, I'll put some of that yellow in here, and my blue, and I'm going to put more yellow than blue to start with because, like I said, based on my experience, the blue can be kind of overpower the yellow really easily with paint. I've never done it with pancake batter, but to me that looks too yellow. Add more blue. And we'll call it greenish. Okay, there I got my 3 primary colors. Now I'll start with a secondary. Put some greenish in there. And while we're waiting on that one, let's make, what are we missing? We're missing orange. Looks pretty green now. Oh, that side's brown. Alright, so we know that green goes between yellow and blue. Alright, this color wheel looks good enough to eat. So I will see you for another lesson next week. Bon appetit.